one is really, really heavy.
Child labor.
Oh, I'm falling behind.
She lifted that one down off of the other one.
I know. She's super strong. No need to run, sweetie. No need to run.
I don't think you can move that one. That one's books. Holy smokes. That's heavy.
And I can push it. But now there's heavy. It's for the room. It's not.
Okay, that's good. Wow.